So yeah, this is the website, and as you can see, this is a portfolio website for a real estate for a real estate firm. So this is basically this website. As you can see, this is a home page, and this is the background which you can see. There is a background image on this particular website, and as you can see, the menus are transparent. Okay, the menus are transparent. So here we have what I can say, a contact given. There is a WhatsApp with the icon, and there is a number. So in bottom, when we scroll down, then you can see the background is this particular thing comes up, and the background images are there. So here is a tagline, or you might call it anything, a heading. Then there is this button. The specialty for this button is when you hover on the button, the background changes. Okay, so this is a great thing about this particular button. Then there is this what I can say, what I call it as a tagline, one other tagline or a headline. It can be anything. You can place it according to your needs. Then again, as you go here at the bottom, there is again an image. So the best part about this portfolio website is that the effects are quite soothing. Okay, if you want to establish trust, or you have to, at the same time, you have to, what I can call it as, put your website and give a professional look to your website, then this is a great thing. And this blue color, why this blue color is there, because blue color, if we look it as from a brand's perspective, then blue is meant for trust. Okay, so this is why the reason this website has a blue theme, what I can say, a theme color. So as we scroll down here, again the button has effect. The background changes upon hover. So this is the thing for the front page. Then this you have this unique listings. So another cool thing about this website is that there are images and all stuff. This proper one listing is there. So let's take a look at this particular listing. So this is for sale, and the another listing is for rent. So the background that has been given is having a different colors. So one can differentiate which property is for sale and which is for rent. So this is a cool thing about this particular website. Then again, the call to action button has background changes upon hover. So it's pretty great. So again, if we come down over here, then this particular website, this particular section, you can place your verticals, like if you deal with apartments, you deal with offices, you deal with warehouses maybe. So those can be placed over here according to your will and wish. So this is how the website looks like right now. So once you scroll, the background changes upon scrolling. So again, the button has a hover effect and it becomes transparent. You can see the image in the background can be seen through the button. So this is a cool thing. And what the main advantage of this particular effect is, the viewers can actually differentiate if there is a button or it is an info or what it is. So this is pretty great. So if you want to give a clickable look to the button, then this is pretty great. Otherwise, we all can see that the cursor changes to a different format once you take over to the button. But giving it a different, giving the button a different effect helps a lot in this user experience. So now we come below and we have this trusted by, and this can be your testimonials, or you can put brands who have purchased from you. As you can see there, after clicking the arrow, one can scroll through the different brands and all. Otherwise, just click and drag. Even then the scroll works. So coming down, this again has a WhatsApp number, and you can give your own contact number if you are working on something which users will need to contact you for. Then yes, this might be a great a choice for you. So now let's come up and let's go to a about us page. So this about us page in the menu, as you can see, the menu is transparent. The main thing about this about us section is that, as you can see, this background, we have placed a video over here. Okay, this can be a video for your team, it can be video of anything you find useful. So this video can be placed over here. and as you can see, the video is playing in background. There is no interference. Even if I click, there is no interference in that. So here it is about us has been, and there is this small thing, that small element that has been placed over here, so it differentiates the content from the title. So this pretty amazing thing. So if you want to give a professional look, or if you want to show that how your team works, like not the exact backend operations but kind of glimpse of it, then this can be used. Then coming down below, there are different elements over here. Another cool thing about this is this particular thing. As you can see, there was this element. So this element basically counts down to whatever, how many houses you have rented, how many apartments you have sold, how many satisfied clients you have, how many properties you have listed. So this basically is pretty helpful. I'll show you once again how this works. Like see this this loading, and this counter comes up, starts incrementing. So that's pretty great about this particular element. So now let's come up to properties section, another page on the menu. So as you can see, in previous page we had a video, and here we have an image. So this is absolutely customizable. You can put either video or you can put an image, whatever you like. Then again, this is a division, and again if we come down over here to these properties, then we can differentiate which apartment is for sale and which is for rent. And another cool thing about this is that we had even on this home page that this particular thing that I have selected, this element commercial, and this has an icon behind of a building. So this helps a user to differentiate quickly, okay, this is a building, or this is an apartment, or this is a villa, or whatever it is. So this increases your user experience a lot. So if you are someone professional, then this website can be really helpful to help you build a proper credibility and authority. So if we come down, these properties have been listed in the same way. So you can just separate them, like you have the best offices, or you have some attractive homes or attractive houses, or whatever it is. So you can differentiate them and put them in proper sections. So this will help users to identify, okay, what exactly you have, what exactly you deal in, and whatever it is, this can be given. So let's come up to another page, that is contact. So contact, again you can see it has a background image. So this image can either be kept on, either you can keep it plain, or you can keep an image, or you can keep a video. It depends upon you. So on this contact us, get in touch, here you come, if we come up over here, there is this contact information for WhatsApp number. It has a icon, but the speciality for this is this enhances the user experience, like the way they interact, because as you can see, this logo is there, and this logo has a different color, okay. This matches suits with your color of your theme, that is blue. So this is blue, the what I call it as the contact detail is blue, and this is a bit highlighted, like this gives a highlighted feeling, and it has been its size is quite large compared to others. So this gives a thing that, okay, you can prefer calling over here rather than coming to the office, or mailing, you can do it over here, or you can WhatsApp us. So this is how it looks. And this is the address. Again, it has an office address, so it has a building icon besides it, and for mail it has a mailing icon, as well as the email ID is given over there, can be given over there. So these are the social media icons. So social media icons, as you can see, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, usually Facebook and Twitter are blue, but YouTube is red, but we changed it and made it customized, so it suits again with the theme of your particular website. Now if we come to the bottom, this has a map, okay. This map, you can anyone can scroll over on this map to actually view where your office is. Since here we haven't given the map exact address on the map, you can see that this New York is there. So this is the exact location where your office is. So this can be customized according to your will and wish. Here we have just given it randomly. So now we can come up to services. That is another page on this website. And here we come down to our services. Again, you can see the layout for all the pages is same. Whenever you visit a page, you get either a background image, you can keep it plain, or you can keep it a video. So when we come down to services, you can put various services over here, like you do some legal services, documentation part, you do the property hunting, you do the property valuation, whatever it is. So one thing again, one feature that is unique about this element is, as you can see, there is a heading and there is this element which separates it. Okay, this whenever the user comes over here, he can take a look, he can differentiate between different elements. He can differentiate between the heading, he can differentiate between the image, he can differentiate between the text that is written here. So this kind of gives a professional look. Okay, so this is what you do, and this is the description, and you can put a referential image, or you can put a suitable image over here. So this basically will give will improve the user interaction on your website and improve the user experience overall. So navigating this particular website becomes very easy when you have this. They can see the information quite easily. Again, this services has been done there. So one unique thing about this is you have this particular on the right side, the description and the title. Again, you have this on the left side. So this gives kind of a change. So they just don't have to scroll, and this doesn't seem to be like a list, like okay, this is the list of products that they give. So this is not like that. Each services is separated. So each service has its own unique identity and own unique weight, own unique weightage that it carries. So now we have over here is what you can see, there is this another element. This is the same element as this, but the thing is you have a call to action button over here. So let's say you are giving some kind of a legal documentation, let's say, and one can click over here since it hasn't been linked, but you can click this button, and as you can see, the button also changes upon hover. So they can click over here and they can book the appointment or whatever it is. So yes, this was the website, and if you need this kind of a website built by us, then feel free to fill out the form. Link has been given in the description box, or you can directly contact us. The WhatsApp number will also be given in the description box of this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked it, and if you did, please like the video, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much once again.